Part 2. Your turn.
Part 2.
Your turn. Oh, now I have to go pee. I'm gonna hold it, just continue with your burping. Don't drink too much. Okay. Manly. Very manly. It's okay. It's okay. Oh wow, I couldn't breathe for a second. Nothing. Okay, your turn. Beautiful.
Man, we suck.
I know. Shay and Lori can do this way better than me. It's kind of sad.
I always make that noise. It sounded more like a fart than a burp. I mean, it was a burp, but...
Nothing. I'm bad.
I suck.
I'm doing terrible.
Finally, normal one.
Beautiful. Very.
Very ladylike.
Don't go pee.
I'm not. I only had to go pee because I was laughing so much.
You are for mine. Beautiful. I can't do anything anymore.
Whenever you do that, it sounds like your heart's beating.
Okay.
That.
Why? No. Dare me?
I dare you.
Okay. That was a terrible taste.
Watch. Whenever I get in the car, I'm going to be burping like crazy.
Hey. I'm going to allow you. You need to do another treatment. And, like, now. I'm going to allow you to stay up till 9 with Lexi. But when I tell Shay it's time to go to bed at 8, you have to act like you're going to bed at 8. But I need you to do a treatment. I need you to get that band grade up. You understand me?
Yeah.
You haven't